Hey, so we're going to kick off an around the world sprint. This is a modified version for online so that you can collaborate as well. So we're going to pick a random tempo somewhere between 75 beats per minute and 170, and let's see what we come up with. Okay, 150. So what we're going to do is set a 10-minute timer. I'm going to send this to Sam Sakr, and he can be the first person to kick this off. He has 10 minutes to write something at 150 beats per minute. I'm also going to set an extra difficulty level. I'm going to set it as being needing to be in the scale of G minor. He will know it's G minor. The other producers won't. They have to work it out as they're going along. For you, you know in advance that it's G minor. So we're going to see what comes out of this. 10-minute sprints, producer after producer, they just have to write as fast as they can and make musical decisions. With every video, there's going to be a project you can download and do your own sprint from there. Again, we're not looking for it being the best track. We just want you to work quickly. The key to this is if something's working, then develop it. If something's not working, then do something about it. Mute it, delete it, adjust it, improve on it. So let's see where we go. Sam, over to you. 150 beats per minute at G minor. Good luck.
Hey, my name's Sam. I am an artist producer that goes under the name Sakr. I will spend 10 minutes making a track, and whatever ends up there in 10 minutes, I will send to another trainer. They will work on that same track for 10 minutes, and you guys will get to see each step of the way. So I'm going to dive into kind of see what happens. Cool. Kind of alright. Let's just have a look. Yeah, that could be fun to kind of flip around, play with. Yeah. I might let's add some chords or something. Something like that. Can't be too picky or anything. Pretty simple. Cool. I might move those into arrangement view and have a look at what's going on. Where are we at science? Okay, cool. I might just give some EQ to that. Cool, maybe look at playing with this. Just transpose here. Give this some. Cool. Maybe I'm just gonna try out some drums. So some drums, so I gotta move. Cool, some stuff in there. And I'll put this in on the B. Cool, so that'll be my main thing, and then so something like that could be fun to maybe run every sort of like 4. Almost like this. Let's see what that sounds like. Oh. Let's just, yeah, so do it like this. It's like play maybe something like that. Come in here. So I got 2. Let's put 2 bars here. Something like that could be fun to play with at the beginning. Grabbing this, putting it down here. Kind of like cut in. That's fun, and then maybe. Yeah, then that could potentially just do this. I don't know. Oh, my time's up. Alright, that's it for me. It's really tough.
Thanks for watching. The sprint continues in the next video, but if you'd like to have a go yourself, there's a download link in the description. Open it up, set a 10-minute timer, and develop the idea as much as you can in those 10 minutes. Don't worry about making the best track ever. Instead, just focus on making meaningful improvements. If you want to pass this on to a friend, give them the same rules, but also you can just watch the next episode and see what the next producer does with it from here.